A push tonight to treat gun violence as a public health issue in the Hoosier State.
CBS 4's Russ McQuaid spoke with IU students who took their message to state lawmakers today.
The gun debate battle here at the Indiana State House is most often limited to arguments over the Second Amendment and the violation of the laws that are passed here. But a group of IU students walked these halls today to talk with legislators, asking them to think about the gun issue as one affecting the health of Hoosiers. There were a handful of lawmakers who made time to hear out the students and their approach to solving the Indiana gun violence problem. Despite Indiana criminal penalties and the right for an adult to carry a gun without a permit, Marion County's firearms death toll reaches into the hundreds every year due to intentional murders, accidental shootings, or self-inflicted wounds. IU students demand action, propose tackling gun violence as a public health problem instead of simply a constitutional or criminal justice issue.
We're not talking about taking away all firearms. If we're focusing on the problem as a public health issue, it becomes something that you can solve, something to focus on, something to mitigate the effects of in society.
City leaders say the intersection of public health and violence prevention is found in food insecurity, as research shows that worrying about where your next meal is coming from can lead to desperation or bad decision making.
I would think that the more available nutritious food is for more people, I think the more peaceful your culture will become.
And with children dependent upon adults to fill those food needs, young people are left with fewer options to curb their responses, which sometimes can be a contributing factor to youth violence, as the Office of Public Health and Safety is currently rewriting a staff position to focus on solutions to children resorting to dangerous outcomes.
We have to realize that the conversation that we're having with an 8-year-old, a 14-year-old cannot be the same that we're having with someone between 18 and 35.
The city expects to have that staff member assigned to that office to specifically address the issue of kids with guns by the end of March. At the Indiana State House, Russ McQuaid, CBS 4 News.